Hi, I'm Shaelyn Shadwell. I'm a third-year physics major. So attending this event was kind of like a last-minute decision. I saw the email go out, and I was like, oh, that seems so cool and a lot of fun. And then I kind of had an anxious moment of, oh, do I actually want to do this? But then afterwards, I was like, no, might as well. So I actually just finished a program called Momentum, where it was focused on leadership skills. And I really wanted to see if I could take what I implemented there into this summit today, and a lot of the skills I learned went right into this summit. My favorite part of the event was like actually pitching the ideas we came up for companies or products. I really liked how we were given one sheet of thing, and we all took it and came up with different ideas, but we all overlapped in some aspect. So my team and I came up with something called Caption. So what you do is, I'm an ASL minor, so we really wanted to focus on the problems deaf and hard of hearing people have when it comes to like interpreting boxes during events. So what we did was we came up with a thing where it's basically an add-on to your personal device, and it can pop up an interpreter, and you can select different languages since there's more than just one different type of sign language. And it will really close the communication gap that we have with different languages not knowing where you're going and helping close that. It was crazy, to sum it up. Coming up with a whole entire product and presentation and assigning roles in less than 30 minutes was amazing that we even did it. We really had to hone in on the different skills we had as individuals with our majors. And once we kind of came up with just like a general idea, we really hit it off, and we just kept going, and people really assigned things that they would like to incorporate into our company. So my major is physics, so we kind of just do a lot of collaborative teamwork. So besides that, I didn't really use anything from my major directly, but I used a lot of things I learned from my minor. So in ASL, I learned a whole lot about deaf and hard of hearing culture and how the people interact with each other. And those skills really came and honed in on our project and why we chose to do this. Basically, I would take the advice of like trying to not say sorry so much and to actually believe that you can do something. I'm one of those people that like I often talk myself out of doing things. For instance, this interview afterwards, I was just like, no, that's really like, kind of out of my comfort zone, so I kind of didn't want to do it. But I'm really glad I'm doing this. So I'm just kind of going to take that lesson of like, kind of step outside of your comfort zone and stop being scared to take opportunities, because who knows what will come after them.